I've done a lot of preaching on this channel about how beneficial it is to use analog clocks, and I've had a lot of people asking me why I don't wear a watch, why I should wear a watch, etc. I always reply with, I don't like wearing anything on my wrist, which was true, but I still had a looming interest in wearing one. And it's not to say that I've never worn a watch. I have. I've even worn an Apple Watch, which I'll never do again. But I had gotten so used to my wrists being free that an abrupt change seemed undesirable. Yet there was one problem that a watch would undoubtedly solve. One of my other reasons for not wearing a clock is that there was always one around me. I spend the majority of my time at home in my studio, to which there are 2 clocks, or at work there is 1 clock on the wall. My favorite clock is the one with the bird on it. Got it for $10 at a thrift shop. But I still feel a lingering feeling of being disconnected from time. It didn't feel a part of me. I think only being partially aware of time made me feel less efficient than I would want to be. I wanted time, or a clock, to be a part of my engine. Time only exists if we're aware of it, otherwise it slips through our fingers like hot sand at the beach. The last watch I remember having was a Timex, and I remember it being a military green color. I'm not sure why I stopped wearing it, although I think it may have broke. With that in mind, I headed to the Timex website and scrolled through the multitude of different styles and sizes they offer. I spent more time than I'd care to admit through the research process, but I was looking for something that was not too small nor too big and simple. I didn't want to make it hard for myself to tell time at a moment's glance. The Easy Reader popped out to me and it immediately clicked as a watch that I wanted to have. So I bought it and it delivered shortly after. Now, this isn't an expensive watch or a nice watch by any means, but that's not the point. It's simple and sort of bare bones in its style and function. Maybe one day I'll splurge and get one of their automatic models, but for now, this is all I really need. I like how it sits perfectly on my wrist, like it was always meant to be there. Like I said, I don't like anything on my wrists, but I got used to it within a day, and it doesn't really bother me at all. I like how it can tell me the date and the day, though I've yet to dial in the timing in that regard. I like how this watch makes me feel like I'm living in a different era, like I'm a doctor in the 70s. I like looking at this watch, and most of all, I like how time is physically attached to me now. I am more aware of the hour at hand, therefore less likely to lapse my productivity throughout the day. I like how having a watch makes me a useful tool to my peers. I can also tell time wherever. Don't need no phone to tell time, don't need no clock on the wall to tell time. I like how I've been subtly introduced into the world of collecting watches, although I'll probably hold off for now. I like how the Timex is like the much-loved Toyota I drive, and the Rolex is as rare and foreign to me as the Mercedes G-Wagon I see on the road once or twice a year. I really do see one once or twice on the year. I don't know where it comes from, but I see it. There are many like it, but this one is mine, and now I can tell time on the dime. One of the benefits of joining the Patreon is that I hand type a letter to you, a thank you letter to you, right after you join. It's one of my favorite things to do, and also joining the Patreon engages you in a real community of other people. The link is right here. Thank you for watching.